Welcome Jira users. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through using the Performance Objectives app for Jira to create a Time Estimate Accuracy KPI report using the % change target type. If you're looking to analyze your estimation accuracy and identify gaps between your original estimates and actual time spent, the Performance Objectives gadget is perfect for this. Here's how to do it. Set up your data source, filter for resolved issues within the desired time period. Choose the time spent metric. Display by the resolved field, and set date granularity. We'll use day for this report. Activate the target feature, and choose the % change target type. Keep the overall selection to compare the target against full metric data. Enter the target value. In our sample, it is 105%, which means the actual time spent should not exceed 105% of the original estimate. Then, select original estimate as the reference metric for the calculation. Mark exceeding the target value as bad. Add a custom label, such as max, for easy identification. That's it. You've now created your Time Estimate Accuracy KPI report. If you want to monitor accuracy trends without setting a specific target, try using the multi-metric combined gadget. It lets you visualize up to 10 metrics side by side as bars, or combine them with a trend line for a comprehensive view. Thank you for watching.